Hello, welcome this evening to Charmaine's third floss tube. I'm sorry I've been away for such a long time, but we've had a great deal of care having to be given to my husband. He had prostate cancer surgery and he's slowly now recovering, doing much, much better. I do want to tell you though, today he went with me and I went to my North Alabama Stitchers group run by Brenda from Brenda's Minders and More at the Decatur, Alabama Public Library. Wonderful group of ladies. We had a great time. My husband filmed and just wonderful. We're at the Decatur Public Library going to the Northern Alabama Cross Stitch group.
I'm Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
I'm from Asheville.
Asheville,
North Carolina.
Asheville. And she's a newbie. She wants to join the crew.
Alabama.
It's on around Birmingham.
It's between Gaston and Birmingham. Okay. Little town, blink and miss it.
And I'm Linda. Hi. I'm from Birmingham. Well, Midfield, but it's Birmingham.
I'm Patty from Huntsville.
Kathy
from Huntsville. Carla from Huntsville.
Also known as our designated candy lady.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks for the candy.
Yes, Carla, thank you.
And I'm Ann Williamson from Tampa, Florida. I'm Carla's friend.
She gets the long
know
term
you
prize.
see me all over
Because I think
Facebook.
that's a little bit further than you, Melissa.
I'm Mary Ann Williams. I'm from Talladega, and I'm with Kay.
And I'm Kay Kern, the bag lady. I'm from Birmingham or Hoover. Leslie, her daughter, just tagging along for the day. Keil Meyer, Huntsville. Brenda Kendrick, Huntsville. Well, Madison, at Madison.
And I'm Brenda from Eva.
And she's the one we thank for all this.
Yes.
Because we wouldn't be having fun.
Try to sell stuff, and when I do, I put it back in the book.
I can understand that.
I would hope somebody would farm it, but,
I'm working on Indigo Lane.
and then I think I may quit work.
I've seen pictures of that. That looks like a pretty one.
When I first bought it, I thought, oh, that's okay. I might stitch that. But the picture doesn't do it justice. It's
It really does.
It's really good. All these different blues.
That's different.
Boy, it is pretty.
Yeah.
I couldn't find the pattern itself. I could find every other piece in that
I'm doing
cabinet.
every
I don't know
person.
if it's split.
I mean, Katie's gonna video chat, and she's gonna help me get started.
So it's not just me. Yeah, I thought it was just me because I've broken so many. I thought it was just me.
I can use the same one for like a year because I don't stitch as much as you.
I did purchase this from Kay Kern. It's a project bag. She does beautiful work, and I'm big on frogs. There was a few of them I just dearly would have loved to have. She's greatly priced at a good price. Great deals and everything else. Wonderful work. Thank you, Kay. Also, Katie in our group started a sale for Kathy Barrett patterns, and a number of them were doing this one pattern, and I selected the Mother Nature, which was a new release at market this year. Now I am doing it on 32 count Lugana Legacy by Picture This Plus. And I've changed some of the colors. I changed the Bunny Brown DMC to Valdano. I changed the Williamsburg to Cornflower Blue. I changed the Renaissance Green and a number of other colors. And if you would like to know what I've changed it all to, please just leave a comment and I'll be glad to answer it for you and give you a more detailed outlook, because I use several different brands of floss. But here is where I am right now. I've got her face done and her head, and I'm going into the body, the dress of her, and I'm really excited about that. And let me see. Oh, I have worked on this, but I did stop to start up that Kathy Barrick. This is the Saturday Evening Post with the policeman and the boys hitchhiking, and I think I left off like right around here. Now I have got all of this filled in on the policeman's shirt. So it's it has a lot of colors, different blues and stuff in here. It's unbelievable how much they put in there, but it's fun to work on, very fun. And anyway, we had a great time there. Carla gave us all little Easter treats and just had a fun time. I just love those ladies there. And anyway, and then I have been working on some diamond painting, of course. I started up this little frog here by Who Can, and I've gotten this section so far done. In fact, I went and took a diamond painting to my sister up in Traverse City, Michigan, because I had to go for my niece's wedding shower. And I got her started on it. I don't know if she's doing any more yet of it, but because her husband's also had to have some issues taken care of. And anyway, another one I've ordered is this Diamond Dots. Oh, what's the name of this one here? It is, it's the two fishes and they're kissing. I don't know if you can see that very good. I didn't want to unwrap it all and everything. And then I have, I'm going to go and get a couple finishes I did too. I got Diamond Art Club. They had a big sale going on, and I got the Four Seasons tree. And one more I got here. I got these elephants, the mother and their two babies following each other. Now this one you can see good, because it's got a clear cover on it. And that is by, let me see if it's got a name here or not. Should, but it's got number V263. And I think I got this off of AliExpress. Yes, off of AliExpress. V263. And yeah, they don't really give any other information for it. But I've enjoyed doing this. I mean, I still love the stitching, the needlework more, but this is kind of fun. When you're watching TV, it's like a mindless hobby to do. And but I'm gonna hold, if you can hold for a second, I'm gonna run and get a finish I did doing diamond painting since I last filmed. I did do this one here. It's Dopey and Grumpy. Dopey is my favorite dwarf, and this is the only one I could find. It does have quite a few AB diamonds, that's why it's so sparkly in it, but oh my gosh, lots of colors in this one. And let me see, there's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 29 colors in this little one, which is only 20 by 25. And that policeman I was showing you earlier in the cross stitch, I'm kind of hopping all over. You have to bear with me, I'm new at making these videos. Was at Saturday Evening Post, and it's called The Runaway. So now you can kind of see where I'm at with this pattern. But I'm all so happy that you're coming back and checking me out again, and I hope you stay with us. My husband and I are getting ready to go on the road for a month. We're taking a month's cruise to, I don't know, about 10 different countries, I think it is. And anyway, so stay tuned. He'll be having a lot of cruise videos coming out, and so it should be exciting. We haven't been anywhere for a long time, but happier times are coming. And anyway, thank you, and all have a nice day and a happy Easter.